Guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to Cryptocurrency Theory. Welcome back to Bitcoin Supreme, guys. I went back and I was walking back to my car, and guys, the stream is never supposed to sound like that. Even if we have music going, it's absolutely not supposed to sound like that. So if that ever happens again, guys, you have my full permission to say, bro, check your audio, because I think some of the people that were in the chat just thought maybe what happened, guys, is I have a lot of inputs running on here, and it was recording. I had a corrupted file that was recording here that I had to re-put on here that was playing out the sound from the screen recording. So if the music or anything like that ever sounds like that in the stream, please, 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 a couple of people were saying it, but I wasn't referencing what was going on because I didn't go into the chat. So we're gonna make sure that we go in here just for a minute. Looks like the audio is back. We're back on Bitcoin Supreme, guys. So obviously, I'm getting some stuff here. So just be aware, guys, that we're fixing all the issues on the channel. But if the sound ever is coming out funky or there's it sounds like it's muffled or anything, like, just please tell me, like, hey, the sound is fucked, because I had a screen recording playing, guys. So my bad. We're gonna do another episode of Bitcoin Supreme for that sound being so bad. And if you got time to come down and check us out, we do a weekly wrap-up show, guys, where we're covering comments, that kind of thing. Also on the channel, guys, this week we've been kind of just talking about just the timing of this stuff, the ironic timing nature of this stuff. Price coins with Sia coin, WorldCoin have all been going up. So all these coins have been going up this week. It's been a week of volatility. Monero, Privacy, DEX tokens. I mean, the list goes on, guys, this week in terms of stuff going on in crypto. Grayscale premiums up on the channel, guys. So trading at a premium, we were talking about that last live stream about 30 minutes ago. Is just some of this stuff is going up, and we're going to revisit some of these coins, guys, because a lot of people are saying that I was wrong on CTX and Numerai, which are both up right now. Numerary, whatever you want to call it. So I might revisit those. I might not, guys. We go on this channel, guys. We go on token supply. We go on whether or not it has its own blockchain. We go on a variety of different things. So for people to come on here, we are going to start, like I said last time, guys. We're going to be starting to skip some of these comments that I don't agree with, simply because we don't have time to waste, right? So, guys, if you're checking us out, we're redoing the stream here. Come on down to Bitcoin Supreme, where we're constantly checking the audio to make sure that never happens again. I'm sure it will happen again, guys, but like I said, guys, the sound is never supposed to be like that. And unfortunately, we were kind of fixing the channel here on the back end, and I didn't go to the chat with volume, so I didn't realize the music was streaming like that. So it was actually my mistake there. But guys, we are talking about comments, so come on down. Talking about ongoing stuff changing on the show, and just a reiteration, if you guys didn't see earlier, we are going to be doing stuff a little bit different on the show here in the upcoming weeks to find out what works for everybody, addressing some of the comments and concerns that people have been leaving on the feedback. So we have been taking feedback from you guys, so continue to share the videos everywhere, continue to give me feedback. Because I've been taking notes, guys. We've been taking notes on the channel to what fits everybody's scheduling and stuff like that. So, guys, we done videos this week on all the stuff I mentioned earlier. Comments are coming in pretty solid. Somebody was asking me last chat about what do I think about Robinhood crypto exchanges pumping these coins, and we saw this with Ethereum Classic. We saw this with Dogecoin on Robinhood, and we saw it this week with Uniswap, guys. So places that you can get these coins, the exchanges are taking advantage of this, and maybe not taking advantage, just the prices have been increasing, right? That's what we've seen on the channel this week. Yeah, guys, so like I said here, come on down to the channel, to the chat. People are talking about Zcash, guys. They're talking about Zcash being the coin to buy right now. We had Crypto Rico. We had people come into the chat earlier. Wonton, what's good? So, yeah, we have a lot of stuff going on, guys. People are talking about Zcash. And you guys aren't seeing what I'm doing here, guys. So just give me a quick little second here. Like I said, what happened, guys, with the stream, just to let you know why we're having these issues. I had to try to clean out some of my files on my computer, and we wiped a lot of the files that are keeping some of the backdrops for the stream going. So when I tried to kind of repair those last minute, obviously, I didn't check everything, obviously, and the audio was fucked on some of that stuff. That's why we had technical issues, and I'm running into a technical issue right now. But we're trying to be able to get to this channel, guys, where I can fix these technical issues on the fly. That way it's not a big deal. Like if something happens, like which is happening right now, you guys just don't see it, and I fix the issue, and I'm able to come back and redirect back to the chat, which I'm about to do, which is great. So it's working out, guys. We just have to keep tweaking this thing here. Keep trying to tweak the channel so it works. So, like I said, guys, we are live on the channel, guys, live on the chat, increasing our crypto skills day by day. Better by the day, guys. So, like I said, guys, comments coming in. People are telling me to go back and check out Numerai and Cortex. But again, guys, we go on token supply. So regardless of what these coins are doing, a lot of the times we hear about them after we're already up, which these coins have been going up. Now we're hearing about these again. So you get my drift. We got Sex Addict. Yeah, we got ETC moving today, guys, if you guys have been seeing it. People have been commenting about ETC a lot, guys. So we are, if you haven't noticed, we've been kind of going in on ETC a lot recently. I've been making videos about it. And that's because, guys, a lot of people give me feedback to make videos on ETC. So there's a reason I'm doing it. And people are saying it's going to go up 10,000%, 100x. So 10,000% is a good chunk, guys. But, you know, nonetheless, it's possible. None of these things are out of the realm of possibility. All right. So just keep in mind, Jasmy up. Some of these coins are up, guys. So, you know, keep in mind that coins have been moving this week. There's been people in the, I think Sex Addict, you were holding Jasmy, I believe. Yeah, we've approached 2 million this week. So, yeah, I mean, a lot of people are talking about Jasmy other than you, Sex Addict, actually. You know, there's people coming in here off the community. I think I tagged it in one of the videos. We're probably getting people come in from that way, I would say. Yeah, most crypto channels, guys, are being paid. Bill B says 89 says most crypto channels are being shilled to get paid pump projects. Yeah, that's kind of what happened with the meme coins, right? The meme coins on Solana here recently was kind of the thing there. Some people we got Trajan's Method 2050 saying it doesn't matter what you hold, basically. You know, these cryptos are made to trade, but we also got people calling me a crackhead. So you know, here's another guy thinking I'm on meth. So you guys, I don't do any of these illegal drugs or anything like that. I don't do those type things. So, you know, like I said, we're gonna start skipping some of these comments that are just stupid. And as you see, I just I can't get enough of the stupidity, guys. But when it's just stuff that's irrelevant, we're just gonna skip it. Zcash is like earlier. Was account on Swiss Bank bulletproof privacy and protection, unlike Bitcoin where your transactions basically show up to everyone. So yeah, kind of the case, but I mean, to be fair, guys, not most people are using Zcash shielded transactions. You know, that's just the thing there, but it's a growing thing, right? It's not, people are just figuring out what this stuff is, much less the privacy aspects and components about it, right? Zcash, yeah. Yeah, I mean, we were talking about it, guys. I mean, just stuff like this. I mean, guys, I'll like your comment if you respond on the channel. But a lot of times that's just a back in your face thing. I'm not necessarily agreeing, guys. A lot of these comments I do agree with, but you know, we try to give everybody a chance, but that chance is going to be a little less guaranteed now at this point. So moving forward with the channel, like if you have a dumb thing to say, or you just want to attack somebody in the community on this channel, you know, I'm not going to censor that. If you guys can talk about it, you guys can converse back and forth about it. But at the end of the day, we're not gonna be showing love for everybody's comments anymore, guys. So, we got a realtor, Uptown Sigma from NYC. I definitely believe prices will take a hit long term, but depending on locations, investors will step up and upset of the younger generations. Of course, investors will be buying once the prices collapse. Crypto is definitely the future. For me as a millennial, I want a few stocks, but long term, I want BTC, ETH, and 100. And guys, BTC and ETH, BTC over $1 trillion, ETH over 3,000 now at this point. So we did a video on why boomers aren't buying crypto, and I'm pretty confident they're not. Thoughts on mining BCH? I think it's a good time before it really rips. I want to invest in mining equipment, but is it worth it? Yeah, it's definitely worth it, guys, if you can get the equipment and you can get good power, good cheap power. That's really what it boils down to with mining. We've talked about that on the channel a lot. Like my ultimate thing, guys, is mining. I want to go into crypto mining at some point. I've always wanted to. And it's just a matter of making that leap into it, you know. And Sex Addict is still holding Jasmy, added some more Zcash also. So yeah, good to buy the coins when they're still moving up, guys. It's not really bad as long as you're buying these ongoingly. And it kind of seems like people have been buying Zcash recently. We've been getting a lot of people coming in and talking about it on the channel, that people have been going into Zcash, me included. You guys know that purchase I did of a couple Zcash is up 30% a couple, you know, in 2 weeks. So, you know, sitting pretty good on some of these. A lot of people still bullish on BSB, it looks like. A lot of people still bullish on BSB, guys, and a lot of stuff going on in the BSB community, right? Yeah. Guys, we're trying to deliver something on the channel. So also, you know, yeah, I mean, I love you guys interacting in the chat. Wonton is saying Zcash Grayscale fund is still up. Yes, guys, a lot of these Grayscale funds are trading at premiums right now, which meaning traders are putting on these, based on these funds, they're putting these native cryptos trading a lot higher. So we have to watch what's going on with the trading. Doesn't matter if it's Sunday. If we get a pump on Ethereum Classic today, significant. I'm just being, you know, theoretical here. Tomorrow we're going to get a Grayscale ETCG pump. That's what's going to happen. Even though the premiums are still trading on Grayscale, the trading on Grayscale is trading at a premium. That continues to trade at a premium. Obviously, some of them we've gone down. BCHG, guys, I noticed that it went down the other day. So some of them are doing better than others. Zcash, but a lot of volume on some of these. ETCG doesn't have a lot of volume. So if we're thinking about these in terms of what might be going on, we can only look at where they're at and the fact that people are putting a premium on these trades. So if they're putting a premium on the trade, we can kind of infer that maybe the native cryptos are also creating this, right? We're also creating a premium, but also creating the price. So if they both go up, there might be opportunity in these Grayscale, is what I'm saying, guys, to make a trade. And that's what I'm doing, guys. That's what I'm trying to kind of allude to you guys. That's kind of my take on some of this stuff. So what is going on here? Yeah, fixed supply, cheap transactions, low cost, low traffic, super cheap. Cthun 83. I mean, I got it. Like, Ethereum Classic is a good coin, guys. I mean, I think people that are not holding this coin are really missing the fuck out, because we have to remember that Ethereum Classic was one of the best performing coins in 2021. It was one of the best entry point coins for people just getting in that wanted to hold an entire coin. And I think that's still the case, guys. I don't think that narrative has gone anywhere. I think it's still the same, that people are going to want to hold an entire coin. Ethereum Classic gives an entry point to that. So, boom. Yeah, and I think we're back on the channel, guys. And since this is the third stream, guys, I apologize for today, but we really made it happen today, guys. And I think we fixed all the issues on the stream here now. And from that, you know, I had the issues with the stream here, and I think they're just all fixed. So it's great, guys. It's badass. So that'll wrap it up for today, guys. Appreciate you guys sticking with me 3 streams today, but we'll conclude on this one, I think, without issues and without having to tweak anything. So if you guys got anything, you know, drop it in the comments for me this week. This upcoming week, we're going to have an exciting week of stuff covered on the channel. And hopefully that will tie in somehow with the prices, because we've seen the price has been moving recently. So, all right, guys, we'll catch you in the next stream. Appreciate everybody. Sex Addict, Wonton, Mr. Fool, if you're in the chat, all the people that came in earlier. And we'll be following this stuff, guys. Might even come back on here later. So catch you guys later. Take care.